Yes, my people, I'm at Tropical Jade Roti Express on Liberty. Good thing for on this side. Wow, check it out. Lots of breakfast stuff here. Champion breakfast at Jade's Tropical Roti Shop in Liberty, Queens, New York. We have here Sara Roti with saltfish, lots of veggies in it, tomatoes, cabbage, onion, coffee to wash it down, and a chicken pie on the side top. Huh? Let's see how this goes. Sara with saltfish and veggies. Good mix, good mix. Very flavorful. Coffee to wash it down. Let's have a taste of the chicken pie. Mmm, very tasty. More coffee. Going down good, going down good. Good food, good food.